in the rainforest. You hear the water? That is the water that's rushing. What's that? Is that a squirrel? I don't know what that was. That was pretty fast for me to see it, but yeah. I love how the sunlight filters down through the canopy of the trees when you're in the forest. It's some glove is there. Log. We're still going up from the bottom of the forest floor, going up through the forest on this pathway. There was massive amounts of tritrillium today on the forest floor. I love how the sunlight. And then as you come out of the forest, here is the sun peeking through the canopies of the trees, which are over 250, 300